Today, we are going to create something completely different and unique. And this is a channel earning around $29K per month. As you can see, this channel has uploaded only 69 videos and already has 27K subscribers. If you look at the views, they are absolutely amazing. Millions of views on the channel. You can also create videos exactly like these. If you doubt whether the channel is monetized or not, you can simply copy the channel link and check it on any social media analytics platform. I'll paste it here, and you can see the channel visual animals. As you can see, the channel is monetized, and its estimated monthly income is around $29K. The best part is that you can create videos exactly like this completely for free. Yes, absolutely free. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and leave a comment so you can continue getting more videos like this. Now, let's start. So first of all, what you need to do is open ChatGPT. It's a very simple process, nothing difficult. I'll also give you a small trick on how to use these prompts, and I'll provide all the image prompts and video prompts below. But mainly, we are going to use the 3 prompts that I marked in red. First, copy the part 1 prompt. I will send you a channel, okay? Check it because I want to make videos like this. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT and simply click send. Once the prompt is pasted, open the YouTube channel. First, copy the main channel link. After that, open its short section and copy 2-3 shorts video links from there. Now paste all those links into ChatGPT and click send. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will automatically analyze and understand the channel style, content, and structure. Then it will suggest the best possible prompts for creating similar videos. If it's an animal monthly type channel or any other niche, ChatGPT will generate prompts according to that style. After that, copy the red marked prompts, prompt 1, prompt 2, and prompt 3. Paste them into ChatGPT one by one. Then copy the part 2 prompt and paste it into the same chat as well. Then click send. As soon as you click send, ChatGPT will automatically generate everything for you. It will provide 7 image prompts, a complete story video prompts. Everything will be created according to your video style and niche. You can see how perfectly it generates all the content. Now, our image prompts and video prompts are ready. Next, I'll show you how to create images for free, how to generate videos for free, and how to create voiceovers as well. So let's start by creating the images. So let's start creating the images first. For free image generation, open Leonardo AI. It's a really amazing website. You can see I already created a few test images before. After opening Leonardo AI, make sure to select Phoenix 1.0 and keep the size ratio at 9:16. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompts one by one, and paste them into Leonardo AI. As you can see, the image results are absolutely amazing. Keep copying all your prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Leonardo AI until all your images are generated. If your Leonardo AI credits run out, you can simply use another email account. For example, I'm using one email in one browser and another email in a different browser. This way, you can continue creating images for free. You can see both sides already have amazing generated images, and the results are really impressive. Now the images are ready. Next, I'll show you how to create videos for free. So guys, the first website I use for creating videos is Digin.ai. It's an amazing website because it gives free daily credits. You get 300 credits every day, which are enough to create around 10 videos. The credits keep adding daily, and as you can see, I currently have 4,240 credits available. So you can easily create videos on this platform without any problem. I personally use this website a lot because the results are really impressive. To create a video, simply click on the Create option. Once you click it, you'll see an Upload option. Upload your first image there. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for the image you uploaded. Paste that prompt into Divid AI, and within a few moments, your video will start generating. The results are actually very good. Now let me show you another example. I upload a second image, copy the prompt again from ChatGPT, and paste it there. As soon as I paste the prompt, the second video also starts generating automatically. This is how you can easily create videos on this platform. The second website that I use daily for creating AI videos is Flow Labs. It also gives free daily credits. Just search for Flow Labs on Google, open the first website and click on Create with Flow. After that, click on New Project. It only takes a few seconds to load, and then you'll see the main interface. Here, you can upload your image, or you can even create videos directly. I've already made several videos on this platform, as you may have seen in my previous videos. Once the image is uploaded, click on the three dots and then select Animate. After that, go to ChatGPT again, copy the prompt, and paste it there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will start automatically. Now I upload another image, copy another prompt, and paste it again. You can see that the next video also starts generating instantly. This is how multiple videos can be created very easily on this platform. The final results from both websites are honestly amazing. If you want even better quality, then I would recommend using Google Labs as well. It gives around 150 free daily credits, and the credits refresh every day. Now the videos are ready, so next we will move to the editing process and combine all the clips professionally. Next, generate the AI voice using lovevoice.ai. Simply copy your script, paste it into the software, and choose any voice you like. Once you select the voice, click on Generate Audio, and your AI voiceover will be ready within seconds. Now the voiceover is ready. Next comes the most important part, video editing. So let's see how to edit the video properly and make it look professional. In the next step, I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally. I'll be using CapCut. It's one of the best video editing software options available because it's simple, powerful, and completely beginner-friendly. Just import your AI videos and voiceover into CapCut, then start editing them professionally. CapCut comes with amazing features like transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. Here I'll add professional effects, sync the voiceover, and complete the final editing process. And that's it. Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for next video.